You are tasked with setting up an Azure Virtual Desktop host pool that will consist of 20 Windows 11 virtual machines. You must ensure that the appropriate Windows client licensing is applied while reducing the amount of administrative work required for the deployment. Which tool should you utilize to perform this deployment? Option A, the Azure portal. Option B, Microsoft Intune. Option C, Windows Autopilot. Option D, an Azure Automation Runbook. When planning an Azure Virtual Desktop deployment, the goal is often to balance ease of setup with compliance. Managing licensing and infrastructure provisioning for session hosts is a critical part of the process. This question focuses on identifying the most efficient, out-of-the-box administrative tool to handle these requirements in an Azure environment. In my view, the correct answer is the Azure portal. It is the most efficient and standard method for deploying host pools. The Azure portal provides a built-in, guided deployment wizard. This wizard allows you to configure essential parameters, including the automatic application of Windows client licensing to your session hosts during the initial provisioning phase. This approach drastically simplifies the setup process and minimizes manual configuration efforts. Looking at the other options, Microsoft Intune is primarily used for device configuration and policy management, not for provisioning the virtual infrastructure of a host pool. Windows Autopilot is specifically designed for physical device provisioning and modern out-of-box setup, not virtual desktop hosts. Finally, using an Azure Automation Runbook for this task would be inefficient, as it requires significant custom coding and ongoing maintenance, defeating the goal of reducing administrative work.